Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Path of Physics. In today's video we are going to discuss about temperature and types of thermometers. What is temperature? A measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance is known as temperature. It indicates how hot or cold an object is. Its units are Kelvin, Celsius, and Fahrenheit. Now, Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. Now, this is a temperature reference table. For absolute zero in Celsius scale, it is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit scale, it is minus 459.67 degree Fahrenheit. And in Kelvin scale, it is 0 Kelvin. Now in freezing point of water, in Celsius scale it is 0 degree Celsius, in Fahrenheit scale it is 32 degree Fahrenheit, and in Kelvin scale it is 273.15 Kelvin. Similarly, room temperature, human body temperature, boiling point of water are also given. Types of thermometers. There are different types of thermometers. Liquid in glass thermometer, digital thermometer, resistance temperature detector RTD, infrared IR thermometer, bimetallic strip thermometer, gas thermometers. Liquid in a glass thermometer. A liquid in a glass thermometer consists of a sealed glass tube with a liquid, mercury or alcohol. As the temperature changes, the liquid expands or contracts and move up or down through a narrow capillary tube, indicating the temperature on a calibrated scale. Now, there are two types of liquid in glass thermometers, mercury thermometers and alcohol thermometers. Mercury thermometers measures temperature range from minus 39 degrees Celsius to 357 degrees Celsius. Mercury's freezing point is minus 38.9 degrees Celsius and Mercury's boiling point is 357 degrees Celsius. Alcohol thermometers are usually dyed. They measure temperature range from minus 80 degrees Celsius to 78 degrees Celsius. Alcohol has lower freezing point than mercury, so it's better for colder environments. Digital thermometer. A digital thermometer is an electronic device that measures temperature and displays the reading in digits on a screen. It uses sensors such as thermistor or thermocouple to detect temperature changes and convert them into electrical signals, which are then processed and shown as a numerical value. Now, what is a thermistor? A type of resistor whose resistance changes with temperature. It is a semiconductor device. The relationship between resistance and temperature depends on the specific material used in thermistor's construction. Now, what is thermocouple? A thermocouple is a temperature sensor that uses Seebeck effect to measure temperature. It consists of two dissimilar metals joined together at one end to form a junction. When this junction is exposed to different temperatures, a voltage difference is generated which is proportional to the temperature difference. This voltage is measured and calibrated to determine temperature. Now there are different types of digital thermometers: medical digital thermometer, industrial digital thermometer, cooking thermometers, etc. Now medical digital thermometers measures temperature range from 32 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Industrial digital thermometers measures temperature range from minus 200 degrees Celsius to 1300 degrees Celsius or more using thermocouple. Cooking thermometers measures temperatures from minus 50 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. Resistance temperature detector. A resistance temperature detector RTD is a sensor that measures temperature by detecting changes in the electrical resistance of a material typically made of a pure metal like platinum. It has a linear and stable resistance temperature relationship. It is used for high accuracy and wider temperature ranges ranging from 200 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius. Infrared thermometer. All objects emit infrared radiation based on their temperature. The IR thermometer uses a lens to focus this radiation onto a sensor or detector. The sensor converts the radiation into an electrical signal. The thermometer's processor translates this signal into a temperature reading which is shown on a digital display. Bimetallic strip thermometer. A bimetallic strip thermometer is a mechanical device that measures temperature using a strip made of two different metals bonded together. When temperature increases, one metal expands more than the other. This causes the strip to bend or coil depending on the design. The bending motion moves a pointer over a calibrated scale to show the temperature. Gas thermometers. There are two types of gas thermometers, constant volume gas thermometer and constant pressure gas thermometer. Now, constant volume gas thermometer measures pressure changes at constant volume. A pressure gauge reads this change and convert into temperature reading. Now, constant pressure gas thermometer measures volume changes at constant pressure and convert it to temperature reading. So in this video we have learned about temperature and type of thermometers. Hope this helps. So that's all for today. Thank you.